What's up guys, today I'm going to be cleaning an original Keychron K1 keyboard. It's around 4 years old and what we're seeing here is it fresh out the box. This exquisite piece of hardware has been abused for many years as a programmer's daily driver. This is the Keychron Blue low profile Gen 1 K1, which does have some Bluetooth connectivity problems. This version is also without the hot swappable switches and features full reactive RGB. First, use this. Get all the muck off the sides of the keys. Use this for the smaller. And then you do this. It cannot be wet, it can only be damp. Get all the muck off the keys. When it's finished, I need to take all the keys off and put them in order on the table. And then I clean the base of the keyboard.
And then what?
And then I put the keys back on.
And then what?
And then I give the keyboard to you.
Correct.
And then I get my money. This keyboard is disgusting. It's full of beard scratchings, food, dried spit and spilt beer courtesy of my brother. I'm scrubbing it with rounds of alcohol and detergent. And this is me putting it back together again. As you can see here, the end result is pretty good and I'll be claiming my £8 of hard-earned cash. We tested the keystrokes of the keyboard tester and it all works fine. Links for where you can get this are in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!